me fun.
On Wednesday, the better half of the day was spent with students trying to spell their way to the top, vying for the spelling bee crown. We'll have a chat with the winner later, but right now, Sean Tuna has given us a few words. Be careful what she asked for, kids. She's given us some words from the competition to try to spell. She really wants us to look smart in front of Nathaniel, but somehow I think that's going to backfire. So, Neville and I will each spell one word.
Yeah,
one word, right.
Give me your word.
No, you go first. Let us spell the word.
All right. Your word is because I can't pronounce the other one.
So just spell it. Yeah. Just spell it and tell me what
I nearly do it too. You're such an idiot. Temerarious.
Pardon you?
Temerarious.
I'm sorry? What does it mean?
Reckless. Rash.
What is the origin?
Somewhere in that word.
It is part of speech. How many letters are in it?
It's an adjective.
How many letters are in it?
I'm not telling you.
Can you tell me what some of the letters are?
A young officer of a brave
temerarious?
A young officer of a brave and even temerarious disposition.
So make you spell disposition?
No. Spell it, the man.
T-he temerarious.
Yeah. Let me tell it.
T.
Hurry up. We have
Give me time. E-M. E-R-A-R-I. O-U-S. Temerarious. Oh!
You want to see the next one?
Oh no, let her give you yours first. Cree. Cree now?
Yeah.
Supercalifragilistic.
I must say mine.
Okay, your word is bedegular.
Bedegular? No, we're not going to say no.
You calling me a liar? Are you telling me that I'm mendacious? Is that what you're saying?
Bedegular?
Let I tell you.
Bedegular.
Good morning, Francois. I don't know how Francois did that show and watch the show at the same time. Wait, let I find it on. Oh, wait, no, man. Let I give you the meaning. Go ahead. You want to go ahead?
Oh, no, she said must move on to the other word. The spell master said move on to the other word. She said she got it wrong.
She did?
Yeah. So ask me the next one now.
The next word is...
Yeah. Bedegular.
Bedegular is a word.
Yes, but ask the other one.
The next word is acclivity.
Acclivity. Acclivity. A-C-C-L-I-V-I-T-Y.
That was too easy, Sean.
It's not too easy. I am bright.
No, you're not bright.
Hold on. This one for you now. Porphyry.
Pardon you?
Porphyry.
Oh, look at that. We have to break.
Porphyry.
We'll be right back.
Try now.
Eh?
Losing fast.
Yeah.